What is up, guys? My name is Sionic. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make this little. Okay, so you just right click and have to go to new document. I do not have transparent yet. Whatever. After you go to place, link to all the description, link to all of these stuff, like Photoshop. It's a RAR file. Link to winrar, link to the cartoon pack, which is also you need winrar face shape. Let's just you know what? Let's actually go with this. Here. See how this actually looks? Yes, I'm joking. It doesn't actually look like this. But I'm just gonna do it for the purpose of this video because my hair is black. But not like that does not look like that, but okay. Don't worry, guys. It looks kind of weird, but okay. Don't worry. Blue eyes. Yes, I kind of like these eyes because they're blue. Why the heck does my eyes look like that? Yes, I said heck. Why the heck does my eyes look like that? Yes, okay. Whatever, don't worry. I am sneezing again. I'm still recording. Okay, last time I only recorded up to 2 minutes, and I thought I was recording for the whole time. The eyebrows. Why does the eyebrows look like this? Alright, whatever. Slanting off, but it's okay. The face. The hair. There you go. Oh no. Sorry, that is my brother. Okay, yeah, I'm recording again. The purpose of this video. I don't know what I needed again. Face shape, the hair, the eyes. Oh, we just need the mouth. You know what? Looks good like that. Nope, you're wrong. The purpose of this video. You know what? I don't have long hair like that, so I do not know if it's actually. Alright. You're recording? Okay. So you go to you press Control S. After I'm just gonna say it as boring, even though I already have boring. Whatever. I'm just gonna whatever. Okay. You do the same thing again, but then PNG. After you save it to whatever, like your mom. After you just press save, but I already have like a bunch of them. Oh my god, that was kind of funny though, or you can just go to files, shift. Okay. This is the last end of my video. I'm going to actually make a thumbnail now. But peace on the mouth. That is pretty funny looking. Control T. Okay, there you go. Very nice. I'm gonna place it again. Cannot save as neither. I'm out. See you in the next video. These guys were very weird, but okay. Yeah, see you next video. I'm just gonna make my thumbnail and throw it on my account and then post this video. So yeah, peace. Sionic.